Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.4. Question number second part first. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system. Second, inconsistent system. Third, consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of elimination method. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10 exercise 3.4. Question number 2. From the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by the elimination method. By the elimination method. Clear? Find the solution of given equation by the elimination method. Clear? Question 2 part first. If we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1. It is first situation. First situation is you add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. Fraction reduced to 1. It is first situation. First situation is clear. Next situation, it become 1 by 2. If we only add 1 to the denominator, what is fraction? It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the solution by elimination method. Let fraction equal to x by y, where x numerator y denominator. y denominator. It is clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Fraction is x by y, where x is numerator and y is denominator. Clear? According to question, according to first situation, we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator. The fraction reduced to 1. Clear? According to first situation, x plus 1 y minus 1 equal to 1 by 1. Clear? According to question, x plus 1 upon y minus 1 equal to 1 by 1. Here we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator. Here we add 1 on numerator and subtract 1 from denominator. Fraction reduced to 1. 1 means 1 by 1. It is clear? You can cross multiply. Here cross multiply. It becomes x plus 1 equal to y minus 1. Clear? Or you can write it here y, you can write y on left side of equal, left side of equal, and minus 1 you write left side of equal, it left side of equal. Your equation become x minus y plus 1 equal to x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Or this equation here plus y, when you write on left side of equal, then it become minus 1. Here minus 1, when you write on left side of equal, then it become plus 1. 1 plus 1, it become x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. Equation first. It is equation first. Equation first is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. And according to second situation, it become half. Fraction become half if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is fraction? X upon y, only add 1 to the denominator, plus y equal to half. Clear? According to second situation, it become half, this half, if we only add 1 to denominator. Here denominator 1. Now you cross multiply, do it become 2x equal to y plus 1. Or here plus y, you write it on left side of equal. Here plus 1, you write left side of equal. Clear? It become 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. It is equation second. You find equation first and equation second. Equation first according to first situation and equation second according to second situation. Clear? Equation first, equation second. You solve equation first and equation second by the help of elimination method. Clear? Now here 1 x, here 2 x. So you multiply by 1 in equation second and multiply by 2 in equation first. Clear? Multiply by 1 in equation second and multiply by 2 in equation second. Equation first here 5 multiply by 1 in equation second, multiply by 2 in equation first. Clear? Two x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. It is equation third and 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. It is equation fourth. It is equation third and it is equation fourth. When you multiply by 2 in equation first, then you find equation third. When you multiply by 1 in equation second, you find equation fourth. Equation third and equation fourth is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now subtract equation third from equation second. Subtract equation third from equation fourth. Subtract equation third from equation fourth. Equation third, equation fourth. 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. It is equation 4. 2x minus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. It is equation 3. You draw a line and change its sign. Here minus, here plus, here minus. Here plus, so you write minus. Here minus, so you write plus. Here plus, so you write minus. Clear? You can cut it. Plus 2x minus 2x. Cut it. Clear? Here minus y, here plus 2y. You subtract it, it become y. Here minus 1, here minus 5. 4. It become minus 5. Equal to 0. You can write minus 5 on right side of equal. It become y equal to 5. You find y equal to 5. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now you put the value of y equal to 5 in equation 4. Now put y equal to 5 in equation 4. Clear? Put y equal to 5 in equation 4. Equation 4 is 2x minus y minus 1 equal to 0. It is equation 4. Here y equal to 5. 2x minus 5 minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 5 minus 1 become minus 6. 2x minus 6 equal to 0. You can write minus 6 on right side of equal. It become 2x equal to 6, x equal to 6 by 2, 2 1 जा 2 2 जा, you find x equal to 2, y equal to 5, x equal to 2. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Hence, we solve equation first and equation second by elimination method, and we find x equal to 2, y equal to 5. Here we find x equal to 2 and y equal to 5. We find x equal to 2 and y equal to 5. When we solve, equation first and second. When we solve equation first and second by elimination method. Elimination method. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. You solve your question very easily by the help of elimination methods. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for you. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.